Hello everyone, this is Ritu from ACEA Global. Today I am here to tell you all about the Latvia study visa. We have been receiving a lot of queries that people from south side or from different country are not able to understand our language, that is Hindi or Punjabi. So that's why we are making this video to help them understand. So before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then do subscribe us and do press the bell icon so you can get connected to us. So let's talk about the Latvia study visa. In this video, I am going to tell you about why to study in Latvia, what are the eligibility requirement, with or without IELTS option in Latvia, or what are the after study job opportunities available in Latvia, about the tuition fees and the universities. We are going to discuss about Latvia, about these details. So recently we are receiving a lot of queries about the Latvia study visa. People are preferring Latvia because you can apply without IELTS in Latvia, and if you have received any refusal from Canada, UK, USA or Australia and you want an opportunity that you want to apply in a low budget option or without IELTS, then Latvia is a good option for you. So let's talk about why to study in Latvia. Latvia is a Schengen country. In one visa you can travel to other 25 countries, and after your study you can work in any Schengen country on your stay back option. In Latvia, your education will be in English taught programs, and the worldly recognized universities are also available. And the tuition fees is very affordable, as we talk about the living cost, which is also very affordable. Let's talk about the eligibility requirement. Student must have scored 60%. 60% is the requirement. And if we talk about the gap acceptability, after plus 2 up to 5 years of gap is acceptable, and after your graduation up to 8 to 9 years of gap is acceptable. But if we talk about the studies, the study must be from regular background, as well as if you have done BA or general BSc, then it is not acceptable in Latvia. But if you have done it in honors, or you have done BA plus B.Ed or BSc plus B.Ed, then you are also eligible for Latvia. And if we are talking about the eligibility requirement, then I should also tell you about the age requirement in Latvia. If you are going for a study on a bachelor's, then your age should be below 25 only, and if you are going for a master's study, then it should be below 35. And if we talk about the after master's, then you can apply for PhD program, then your age should be below 38 age. So this is the eligibility requirement. Now we move forward about the university. In Latvia, many good universities are available, like University of Latvia, Riga Technical University, Turiba University, Laipaja University. These good universities are available in Latvia, and these universities are very affordable. If we talk about the tuition fees, the 2000 euros to 4500 euros you can study in Latvia. Now moving forward, after your study, what are the job opportunities available in Latvia? If you have done your study in Latvia on bachelor's, then you will be getting a stay back of 6 months, and after your master's you get a stay back of 9 months. In that stay back period, you can work in any other Schengen country and settle in that particular country also. Now we talk about the IELTS or PTE. IELTS or PTE is not mandatory in Latvia. You can apply in Latvia study visa without IELTS on behalf of your MOI. Now we talk about the documents requirement. Your educational documents are required, medium of instruction, letter of recommendation, your passport, your photograph or your CV. These are the documents required for Latvia study visa. So this was all about the Latvia study visa, and if you want to apply in Latvia study visa and fulfill these requirements, you can call on our number given below, that is 74791 74791, and if you are from different country or a different state, you can also apply us online. So this was all about Latvia study visa. Thank you.